If you're watching this because you can't shake off that heavy, thick brain fog, you probably feel like your mind is filled with wet cement right now. You sit at your desk, staring at the screen. You want to work, but your brain just refuses to engage. So you end up doom scrolling, and then the guilt sets in. Let me stop you right there. You are not lazy. You don't lack discipline. What you are experiencing is not a personality flaw. It's a neurological defense mechanism. At the end of this video, I will show you a method to overcome it that only takes 12 minutes a day. To actually fix brain fog, we have to look at what's happening inside your nervous system. When you push yourself too hard through chronic stress or overworking, your brain gets trapped in a state of hyperarousal. Neurologically, you are locked in chaotic, high-beta brainwaves. When this happens, your body thinks it's under constant threat. It literally shuts down your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for focus and logic, to conserve energy. That paralyzed, foggy feeling, that is your brain hitting the emergency brakes. This is exactly why forcing it with sheer willpower never works. You cannot outthink biological exhaustion. And dumping 3 cups of coffee into your system, that just blocks your exhaustion receptors and spikes your cortisol, trapping you even deeper in those high beta waves. You have to signal safety to your nervous system. You need to physically downshift your brain from chaotic high beta into slower, calmer patterns, specifically theta waves. In neuroscience, theta brain activity is the exact frequency linked to relaxed alertness, creative flow, and clear thinking. It's the state where mental fog just naturally evaporates. Now, traditionally, to reach a deep theta state, you would need to practice intense meditation. But let's be real. When you have severe brain fog, sitting in silence for an hour trying to clear your mind is nearly impossible. This is exactly why my notes here always come back to a physiological shortcut: acoustic neurohacking. Your brain has a biological mechanism called the frequency following response. When exposed to specific audio frequencies, it passively syncs its own brainwaves to match the rhythm. While researching the most effective acoustic tools for my own brain fog, I found a digital audio program developed by neuroscientists and sound engineers called the Genius Wave. Instead of sifting through random, unverified focus music on YouTube, this is a highly specific 12-minute audio experience. It uses safe, non-invasive sound frequencies engineered to gently guide your brain out of survival mode and directly into theta activity. You just put on your headphones, press play, and let the physics of sound do the heavy lifting. If you're tired of fighting your own biology, you don't have to figure these frequencies out yourself. I've put a link to their official research page down in the pinned comment and description below. You can go check it out and see the science for yourself. Give your brain a break. Save this video, subscribe for more neurohacking, and I'll see you in the next video.